how to unlink Instagram accounts. If you have multiple Instagram accounts linked together and you want to remove one, start by opening the Instagram app. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, then tap on the three lines in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Next, scroll down and tap on Account Center. In this section, you will see all the Instagram and Facebook accounts linked to your profile. Tap on Accounts to view the list of connected accounts. Select the account that you want to remove. Now, tap on Move Out. Instagram will ask you to confirm that you want to unlink the account. If you are sure, tap Continue to Move and then tap Continue. The selected account will no longer be linked to your other accounts. If the account was using the same login information as another account, you may need to reset your password to fully separate them. Once removed, you will need to log in separately if you want to use the unlinked account again. That's how to unlink Instagram accounts.